sure if this is the right metaphor, but I will never understand why people say it's like comparing apples and oranges. They're not that different if we're being honest. Like, when I think about it, okay, the only thing that's different, the color. They shape the same, they both taste good, they both gonna rot. That's probably just because they're fruit. But like, you could really compare apples to oranges. Okay, let me tell you about oranges. Oranges, I mean, they're round. You don't really eat the skin. The inside, super juicy. What do we make? Orange juice. What's the two biggest competitors juice-wise? Apple juice and orange juice. So clearly they're not that different if they're both that good. And then you got apples. I mean, people are allergic to the skin of the apples. So, once again, you pretty much don't eat that for real. If anything, everybody likes peeled apples better anyways. Oh yeah, you can peel an apple and you can peel an orange too. Like, it's really not that different, but honestly, apples are easier to eat than oranges. Now, if we're talking about a tangerine, that's something different.